trying to take a video for the past few days, but I was not able to do it. And I was wondering why there is so much of trials to get a video done. And today I realized, because the devotion which I really want to talk about, it's powerful, it's revolutionary, it's gonna have a profound impact on people's life, especially on their spiritual life, because they're gonna find better versions of themselves. So the devotion which I would like to talk about is consecration to the Mother Mary. So why do we do it? Like, what is the need of consecrating yourself to the Mother of the Lord? She's gonna make you, because she is the reason that many people are in heaven. This is not said by me. This is said by Saint Augustine. Yes, that's true. It's because of her many saints are in heaven. So let's take Saint John Paul II, Mother Teresa, Louis de Montfort, Saint Maximilian Kolbe. So all these saints, they have consecrated themselves to the Mother Mary, and you know how amazing their lives have been. So if the consecrated people will get to know about themselves much more, and they're gonna dive deeper in their spiritual life, and it's gonna have a reaps of benefits, going forward. It doesn't mean it's gonna take away all the struggles, but it's gonna make you feel peace, grounded every time you've been put into some trials, or into a situation, any situation. It might be anything, but you're gonna enjoy the peace inside you. I stumbled upon a video recently. So one lady, she has asked around 20,000 people who have consecrated to Mother Mary, what have you got out of the consecration? So many people have, they said they have found peace. That's what the most important thing, right? You have to find that peace with all the chaos that's going around in your life. So most of the people have found peace, and they have tried to become more holier than they are. And every day they feel like, it's like a path to sainthood. So this is all the things that gonna help you throughout the process. It's not like instant, but you're gonna get a spiritual, like you feel like you are getting more closer to Christ. And another thing, it's like a 33-day devotion. Every day you have to spend around like just 20 minutes a day. So this consecration usually happens on all Mother Mary feast days. So as I said, it's a 33-day preparation, and 34th day we are consecrating ourselves into the hands of Mother Mary. So I would encourage everyone to join in this journey, and I would also encourage you to even spread this word. So to prepare ourselves to this consecration, please try to recite as many rosaries as you can, and pray, because many people wouldn't be able to finish it well, this consecration, because that's how much powerful this consecration is. So it's very hard for someone to finish it and reap the benefits out of it. And it's advisable to read and prepare yourself before the consecration. So the two books that's recommended is True Devotion to Mary and Secret of the Rosary. So these are the two books by Louis de Montfort. So all the details are being given in the description box. There will be two, three WhatsApp groups. If you want to join in Malayalam group, there is Malayalam group available. If you want to join in English group, there is an English group, and there is another group for preteens. So even that, all the details will be given in the description box. Please don't miss this chance. Every Mother Mary is like waiting for you to join, so she can make you more holier. And Ave Maria, Ave Maria.